Yogi Surajnath, Guru Budnath Ji with Gorakh Sabadis, the sayings of Gorakhnath. Sabadi number 293. जब लग पेट पूठी नहीं आहड़े, तब लग रगत रेत नहीं सहड़े, चित चेतनी लगी का मन काटे, जोगी कहे ताहिया न फटे. Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Yogi Surajnath. As long as the belly does not touch the spine, till then blood and semen are not compatible. With conscious awareness, desire does not sting. Yogi says, your heart will not break. Some explanation in both Hindi and English. हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में कुछ स्पष्टीकरण. इस शब्द की लाइन एक जो है, हम देखते हैं कि इसमें उद्यान बंध और कुंभक बाबत निर्देश है. जब लग पेट पूठी नहीं आहड़े, उद्यान बंध में जो सांस को बाहर रखते हुए किया जाता है अमूमन, तो उसमें पेट में जो एक कॉन्केविटी होती है वो बहुत पीछे तक जा सकती है. स्पाइन, रीढ़ की हड्डी तक वो टच कर सकती है. पेट की त्वचा इतना गहरा वो कोई कर सकता है, प्रैक्टिस कर सकता है. और उसमें फिर गोरखनाथ जी कहते हैं कि तब लग रगत रहे. जब तक ऐसा प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं, कि गंभीर योग साधना की बात भी गोरखनाथ करते हैं, मगर उनकी मर्यादा भी बताते हैं कि जो कि नेक्स्ट आगे की लाइन में चित चेतनी लागी काम न काटे, यानी कि सजग रहना, चेतन रहना, ध्यानी रहना, ध्यान से रहना, यथाभूत सदर्शन से रहना, भाव पवना चित चेतना दर्शन से रहना, वही प्रमुखता से काम को, तृष्णा को या जो भी भोग वासनाएं हैं उनको स्थगित कर दर्शन की अग्नि में समाप्त करने की क्षमता से होती है. सो डिज़ायर, सो तृष्णा नहीं काटती, मगर उसके साथ साथ ऐसी गंभीर योग साधनाएं भी चित्त चेतना को, चित्त को स्थिर करने में और ध्यान की गति को एक बल देने में, जैसे समाधि भी ध्यान गति को बल देती है. योगिक साधनाएं या तंदुरुस्त शरीर, कोई भी शारीरिक व्यायाम भी किसी भी दुनियादारी के कार्य को और गंभीर ध्यान के कार्य के लिए भी सहायक होते हैं. उस तरह से तंदुरुस्त शरीर, स्थिर मन, सो ध्यान ज्ञान की बात गोरखनाथ कहते हैं. और some explanation in English. So we read line 1 as referring to the practice of Uddiyana Bandha and Kumbhaka. As in line 1, it is said that as long as the belly does not touch the spine, in Uddiyana Bandha, which is performed normally with breathing out, having held the breathing out, Uddiyana Bandha is practiced. So we see their concavity in the stomach, and viscera is lifted up in the chest cavity, and there is concavity in the stomach. And with sustained practice, that concavity can be as if the stomach or this navel area touches to the spine, like that. So, and so Gorakh says that then with such a serious practice, this blood and semen are compatible. Sex emotions, sex feelings are also, or any desires are compatible. Here the point is that yogic practices help sensitive body and sharp mind, calm and sharp mind. So that way it is helpful in meditation culture. But meditation observation doesn't necessarily depend upon yogic practices, kumbhakas, bandhas, and even physical exercises, but yogic practices or physical exercises are needed in our day-to-day life, day-to-day culture, so that our body is healthy, mind is sensitive, and yogic practices help to come to calmness also. That way a help to meditation. And in the next sabdi, as Gorakh says, With conscious awareness, desire does not sting. This is very important. It is not only yogic practices, Uddiyana, Bandha, Kumbhaka, etc. that are helpful. However, our conscious awareness, being awake, being alert, observing the stream of the mind, desires, feelings, sensations with skill and diligence. That way, our breathing or the sensation in the center of the upper lip and the expressions in the face, sensations in the body. So that way, being alert and conscious toward the stream of life, we feel life on or in the body. So when we are awake or aware of the body, we are aware of life. This is so simple. So if we are not aware of the body, we are bound to somewhere in thought and time. So this is so simple to understand, and this is basic fundamental. So Gorakh says, with conscious awareness, desire does not sting. Because if we are not aware, alert on the body, into expressions, into feelings, and desires of attraction, repulsion are also feelings. So being aware of the stream of the mind with some skill of surati, with this support of surati, maybe breathing or maybe this ever vibrating sensation in the center of the upper lip, or not, and like that, being aware of expressions, feelings, sensations closely and diligently, being awake every time. So with the conscious awareness, desire does not sting. Goraknath further says, or yogi says, a Siddhi yogi says, your heart will not break. This is it.